Hey lovies, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ricky here. So today I'm going to show you how to make authentic Swahili pilau the original way, the way our grandmothers used to make a pilau. So without further any ado, let's dive into this recipe. In a pan, you're going to add all the pilau spices and you're going to roast them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become fragrant. Then in another separate pot, add your slice of onion, some cooking oil, and you're going to fry them until golden brown. Once the onions are ready, you're going to add your lamb meat or if it's cow meat, and you're going to add your pilau spices, garlic paste, ginger paste, some Maggi, a little bit of curry powder, optional, some salt to taste, and lastly I'm going to put some green chili because I love spicy. And mix everything well, then cover and let the meat to cook until tender. When the meat starts to soften, you're going to add 3 large of potatoes or more and 1 glass of water. Cover again and let the potatoes to cook until slightly tender. Then next you're going to add 2 cups of basmati rice or any rice that you prefer, and I'm going to add 3.5 cups of water. And you're going to add a little bit of salt, optional. Cover everything well and let it to cook on a low medium heat until the rice is almost done. Open your pilau once again and gently stir it again and let the water to be completely absorbed and the pilau to be perfectly cooked like so. Then next you're going to make our pilipili ya kukanga. For our fried chili, you're going to add 1 onion and cook until golden brown. Then you're going to add your tomatoes, fresh chilies, garlic paste, chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, tomato paste around 2 tablespoons, Maggi for seasoning. And lastly, I'm going to add some tamarind sauce to get that authentic Swahili coastal flavor and allow everything to cook until soft. Once soft, place it in a blender and blend it until it becomes completely soft. Then pour it back in a pan and let the pilipili to cook until the oil separates and the sauce becomes thick like so, and you're going to put it in your glass container. And our original authentic Swahili pilau is ready. I like serving mine the way we do on the coastal way with pilipili ya kukaanga. If you have some kachumbari, go ahead and add it, and with some banana. Bas. The combination is absolutely delicious and you're going to enjoy. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow me on all my social media platforms, and also don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. And I'm Ricky Altia, where simple turns into delicious, and see you next time. Bye.